If you want to enhance your digital marketing skills and further your career in this field, Google certifications are definitely worth your while. This online platform will help you upscale your skills and build a sound knowledge of online advertising. Besides, you can get your hands on this golden opportunity without spending a single penny. What's up, fellas? Thank you for tuning into our channel. In today's video, we'll tell you exactly how you can make money with Google certifications. Stay tuned. So, what are Google certifications? Google certifications are programs aimed at training individuals to use Google marketing tools and solutions. These include Google Ads, YouTube, Google Analytics, and many others. Further broken down into specific topics that you can learn and then sell to businesses and help them promote their brands or generate better ROI. As we mentioned earlier, each certification consists of a set of courses to help you understand the particular topic, which you will be assessed for at the end. Once you complete and clear all assessments, you will be eligible for the certification. And the good news is, there's no required skill or expertise to start. And it's free. It doesn't get any better than this. All you need to do is sign up for an account to access the lessons and reference material. Now, if you're wondering what Skillshop is, let's get that straight. Skillshop, also called Google Skillshop, is simply a platform where you can sign up for all the courses related to Google products. So whether you want to enroll for certification in video ads, Google AdMob, Waze, or Google marketing platforms, you'll find everything in one place. How to become Google Skillshop certified. From creating your profile on Google Skillshare to earn your certification, this process is pretty simple. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Sign up with Skillshop. The first step is to simply go to skillshop.withgoogle.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Get Started button. Click here and the website will direct you to a page with a list of courses that you can explore later. Here, you can log in or create an account if you haven't already. Then set up your profile with all your information. You can also connect your YouTube and Google Ad accounts with your Skillshop account. Once you've created a profile, you can browse all the available certifications. Now you can explore the courses you'd like to enroll in. If you want to check the details of any certification, simply click on one and you will be directed to the course's main page, where you can see the course overview, things you will learn, and the reference material. Stay tuned to know the most important Google certifications you need to earn 5 figures per month. Step 2. Prepare for the assessment. Each course you take will have a set of lessons to complete and then an assessment. The materials are well explained and easy to follow, and designed to help you with your exam. Keep a notebook handy to write important information and points, as these will help you review everything quickly for the test later on. Also, you will have to answer some review questions during each class and a knowledge check after you finish a topic. If you pass the knowledge check, it means you've successfully completed the lesson. You can track your progress on the main page. After taking all the classes, you may want to revise the information to prepare for the exam. Step 3. Take the exam. Once you've reached this stage, you're ready for the final leap. Now, you have to take this 75-minute exam that consists of around 50 multiple choice questions. Again, take your time to attempt the paper since you cannot go back to change your answers. The requirement for passing most of the course is at least 80%, except for Google Ads requiring 70% to pass. Once you pass this exam, you're finally a Google Pro. Congrats! Now you can view your certification on your Profile tab. However, all certifications are only valid for a year and must be renewed annually by retaking the exam. This is done to keep certificate holders updated on Google marketing practices. Moving on, what are some of the popular Google certifications? In simpler words, businesses are always looking for people offering these services. They are willing to pay a reasonable amount since these Google experts also help them generate huge returns on investment. Number 1. Google Ads. This is the top service that businesses require. Let's see what Google Ads are. Google Ads is a paid ad service that prioritizes a business and ranks it on Google's first page when users search for a product. So, whenever customers use Google search to look for a particular product or service, the top results are from the brands that have paid Google to display their ads for that targeted keyword. Hence, when you have a Google Ads certification, you can help companies optimize video ads, search campaigns, shopping ads, in fact, any type of Google ad. At a minimum, you can earn around $9,000 each month selling Google Ads services on People Per Hour and something similar but lesser on Fiverr. Number 2. Google Ads Manager. Google Ad Manager is an ad server by Google that allows various publishers to manage their ad stacks, simplify their ad management process, and promote their ad inventory at a more attractive price. Next, Google Ad Manager delivers these adverts to websites, apps, and other platforms. Hence, if you want to sell your service as a Google Ad Manager, you simply need to create an account on the platform and begin setting up your ad inventory. You may now create adverts, organize them, and optimize them as needed. Number 3. Google My Business. For better visibility on Google search, many businesses create Google Business Listing. This is also commonly known as a business profile and is similar to adding a location on Google Maps. However, just making a business profile won't generate leads or help the business with search engine optimization. This is where My Business comes in handy. In simpler words, a business listing on Google is termed as a business profile. If optimized, this profile is visible on Google SERPs, as well as Google Maps. So as an expert with Google My Business, you can help brands create their business profiles and optimize it to help the brand achieve more visibility. What's more, people are earning easily between $1,000 to $4,000 a month with this service on freelancer.com, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. Number 4. Google Analytics. This is basically a web analytics service offering statistical as well as basic analytics for SEMs and SEO. Furthermore, it's available on Google Marketing Platform and can be accessed with just a Google account. Marketers use this to help track a website's performance and collect traffic insights. Since business owners need to analyze the primary sources of traffic and evaluate the effectiveness of their marketing operations and campaigns. This is where you can help them. As a Google Analytics expert, you can help businesses assess the success of their marketing campaigns and observe customer behavior analytics that helps improve marketing campaigns and retain website visitors. An average Google Analytics expert in the USA earns around $126,000 per year. And so can you, thanks to Google certification. So if you're looking to bolster your freelancing career or get hired as a Google expert, Google certifications are definitely the way forward. Not only are these worth your time and effort, but they are also easy to follow and give you in-depth knowledge about using various Google solutions. And you become a Google expert without paying a buck out of your pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.